Welcome back, everyone. Turbo Tuesday. Fast day of the week, best day of the week. Let's get stuck in. Mic check, mic. Alrighty, we should be good. Should be good. Okay, sell, yes. Random sell, I love it. Okay, that won't do shit. To kick, I fly. What a mate? No chart says sell. Okay. CPI tonight for the CAD, which might have an impact on them dropping rates, which I think that's revised. I could have sworn they had it as have they revised that? I could have sworn they were not dropping rates. Does anyone know if Canada was expecting a drop of rates? Because I could have sworn, unless I'm hallucinating. Yo, get me off this shit. Yeah, come over. There we go. There we go. I could have sworn they weren't going to drop rates. Okay, well, I guess CPI might play a part in whether or not they will or not. Now, I mean, to be fair, nothing probably really matters until, I mean, potentially there could be some movement on the CAD. There probably will be. However, this is the biggest catalyst here. Rate cuts for the US. Now, this is such a difficult one. We'll talk about it a bit more. GDP expected to drop for the New Zealand dollar. Employment for Aussie dollar. Fuck. Big week. Big week. Pound won't change rates. There's no fucking way. But I don't think anything really gives a shit. The market doesn't really give a shit until rates drop. Now, it is interesting because we had a pop on gold today. Roll on FOMC, that juicy price action. It's going to be juicy, all right. Now this is, we'll talk about it in a bit once more people get in here, but it's a strange one. It's going to be a very strange price action, I presume. Do we have our like counter up? Why is no one liking? Like the fucking stream. Send me some likes so you pop up here. Your name can be here so I can lick you. Thank you, Daniel. Brianna, thank you. Let me lick. You taste good. You already know what time it is. And we're back to the OG. Back to the OG. No white monsters still. So we're back. Jesus. Back to the OG. Sorry, there's someone with a fucking light bulb blasting into my green screen. I don't know if you saw that. Flashing his fucking light bulb. It's a green screen, but PA pre-rates has been stagnant for intraday. It's cheeks. Yeah, it's been horrible. Although I got out of 3 positions today. 3 on. I think it was Euro odd, pound odd, and New Zealand dollar CAD. So I got out of New Zealand dollar CAD early. I don't know what the price action would have done. Okay, so this wouldn't have shown properly actually. We were in a sell. And fucking sniper. I took off my position. Holy shit. That was a good exit. I haven't checked. This was way earlier. I took off my New Zealand dollar CAD position on that potential 3-bar reversal right here. Because I was like, I don't know, broke a candle down here. We might get some rejection. I'm taking it off. And I literally took it off when it got down here, and then it started rejecting back up. I was like, nah. Taking it off. Get me the fuck out of this. I'm in profit. I'm done. So, man, we take that. We fucking take that. That was a good exit. Your local cactus eater. Thank you very much for the rose. I really appreciate that. What up, Xander? So we got out of that, and I think it was euro odd and pound odd. We also got out of, I got out of this before, I got out of this just then. So we didn't take the full 0.25%, but we were like halfway there. Cause we were getting this shitty price action around yesterday's high. So I decided to take that one off. Also, I want to be as flat as possible before Thursday morning. So yeah, I just in profit, flip-flopping around, just get me out of it. We had a bit of a break. I don't want to pull back down to here and potentially like a A-shaped recovery or 50% retracement and then come back up and flop around here. We got the break out of yesterday's high. We're fucking around here. I just want to get out. So got out of that. That seemed like the right move. New Zealand or CAD seems like the right move. And my euro odd, I think, took full TP. Yeah, we took full TP on that. I did have a look and we were obviously breaking, having some good market structure. So I left that on. And wherever that was, where was TP? TP was around about here. So out with full profit, full 0.25%. So we are currently sitting in, where are you? Still shitloads of drawdown, which is very frustrating. We're still in this Aussie dollar New Zealand dollar at 7.88%, but that is all of our drawdown. It's all we're in right now, which I will take. We're up to 4.12% for the month. So I'm not too mad about that. And obviously we'll turn everything on after the rates and everything. So we'll probably get into a few positions. We're looking pretty good. It's just this Aussie dollar New Zealand dollar that's just a fucking rocket ship. But we did break out of last week's high, and it looks like we're coming up towards retesting it, but this does look like a bit of a market structure shift. So we could potentially get, you know, the break and retest and then continuation down, which would be nice. You know, I was talking yesterday about fucking the fact that this is just too risky to go into an aggressive position, which it honestly would have been. If I got into an aggressive position here, I would have put a stop on it. We would have got stopped out. So, and if I saw this, there's no way I would have, like, I wouldn't have been monitoring the fuck out of it. So I wouldn't have seen that break back down. And I probably wouldn't have gone into an aggressive position. So we still got a long way to go. But, you know, if we look back in history, these big moves usually get undone. So hopefully this might be fundamental. as well as technical shift back down. Hey, Zendo, what's up? Oh, look at this. A heart me. I love you so much and you're awesome. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. God. I appreciate that a lot, man. Thank you. I closed everything yesterday. Good man, good man. We got like chicken drumsticks. Can I get some claps or some shit? Cause this motherfucker has not stopped grilling me about chicken for like a month. Is that what you call them? Drumsticks? Yeah. Oh, I have the worst headache. I think I need to rehydrate. You're odd. We can have a look. Josh. Motherfucker. We have the biggest contributor to this stream in somehow. He is back. Welcome back, Josh. How are you? What's going on? What do you mean any big hits yet? But welcome back. It's always good to see you. How have you been? Want to hear the story of this guy who day trades at my work, who's a PT? Yeah, sure. And Euro Odd, did you say? I got out of Euro Odd today. Seems like we're kind of slowing down on the current price action. I haven't really analyzed it from a bit further of a perspective, but it's looking good. You just got into a sell on it? Okay. Oh, will I get into a sell on it? 69 on my RSI. So I probably, I can have a look. Meeksy, thank you very much for the heart me. And the Go Popular, I appreciate that. We're gonna have a good stream today. I didn't claim my fucking flares again, and now that there's 60 million streamers on TikTok, they take all the flares within 5 minutes of them being re-enabled, because they only give out a certain amount. So I don't have any fucking flares today, so thank you for the gifts. Let's see why I've not taken a trade on Euro Odd. Sorry, let me just, so I'll just pop this up so I can have a look. Because you do get in a little bit earlier than me. We have very similar settings, so could have just been the most marginal difference. Oh, I don't think it's gonna show it. Plus I just got out. Temp with the mini star. Thank you very much. And Xander with the Sakura. Fuck, this is going way too quick. There's no way we can see this. Stop, stop, stop. Oh no, we want auto arrange on. Oh fuck, this is gonna open on the VPS. It's gonna take forever to open. You're odd. Waiting for lower time frame moving average to sell. I think that's what it said. I cannot see. Stop moving. It's really hard to see. It's just fucking flying. Stop. That's Euro USD, which is not on. Waiting for lower time frame moving average condition for trade type sell. Yeah, so just waiting for the moving average. Okay, boom, turn that off. Okay, is there anything here? I'm not leaking shit. Alright, there we go. Good, good, good. Temp, again, thank you very much for the mini star. And Xander, Migsy, your local cactus eater. Thank you guys. Fuck yeah, clap, drumsticks to the legs, yeah, yep. The man, what's the lowest amount of profit you make on a day, man? It's fucking super subjective. Depends on the day. Thanks for following me too. Thank you also, Graham. And it's all chicken. I'm doing great, mate. How are you? I'm doing fantastic. Shit is just so good right now. Shit is so good right now. I just got, oh right, yeah. Just do that. I went to Euro odd today. Nice. I'm gonna bless the stream every once in a while. You do. It's long overdue. It's been a couple. I feel like it's been like 2 months since you've been in here. So it's always good to see you. Hey, what apps do I need to download to start? MetaTrader 4. That's probably pretty much it. 5 pass into the funded stage. Wait, what? 5 pass into the funded stage, then trades it normally, has made 130k this year. Jesus. It's pretty good. 5 pass. I don't know what the 5 pass is though. Sid, thanks for following me. Sienna, what up? Hey, what apps do I need to, all right, yep. How's the trades going today? Good, very good. Took profit on 3 trades today. What's good, bro? Not much, Dylan, how are you? Show us on the screen, we can help. Oh, I was just going through some shit. Yeah. I didn't want to leak. RTJ 3D cosplay. Thank you very much also for following me. Trading view, MetaTrader 4 or 5. Yep. Are you betting on the rise or fall? The only trade I'm currently in is Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, and I'm waiting for it to drop. We've been in a fucking huge trend. Big squeeze. So, yeah. It's crazy that I actually come for the tracks. Stay for the goat. What do you mean for the tracks? And of course you stay for the goat. The tracks. I'm confused. Full ported ETH. That's sketchy. Good luck. Professional coaching. Thank you very much for following. I always jump on stream if I see it. Just haven't been seeing you much. No, that's right. I'm literally here every day. Every day. How's your day? My day was good. Woke up, you know, did our usual shit. Fucking gym, workout, came home, been flat out. I have stuff that I'm working on and working towards, and my everything is just go, 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 and it's fucking amazing. It's so good. Ow! Josh, thank you very much for the Night Star. He's back, ladies and gentlemen. Joshua is back. A lot of the new guys won't even know about Josh. A lot of them wouldn't even know about him. I bet Mick, Colin, Dean, wherever Dean is, they're like the new age OGs. Thank you very much for the Nice Star and the Heartmeat. They wouldn't even know about fucking Josh. It's crazy. What session is this? I mean, technically we're in London session. I need to make some calls, but I don't want to. Get stuck into it. It's Turbo Tuesday, fastest day of the week, best day of the week. Let's fucking go. Let's go. The viewers are pumping. We're getting shit going. I'm excited. I'm fucking excited. What's the best platform to start FX trading? I prefer MetaTrader 4. When's the Lambo? We'll see. We'll see. A full-time trader? Yes. Passing my 150k soon. Good job. Good job. What prop firm are you using? Fuck. Please tell me I have a fucking flare. Oh, I do. Oh, I do. Let's go. Let's fucking please let me use it now. Let's fucking go. Let's go. I've never seen anyone in here before. Sienna, surely you know Sienna. Sienna have been here. And Xander. Sienna and Xander have been here forever. Okay, kick. Give me a second, guys. Give me 1 second. Let's fucking go. We got the flare. E from... Oh, wait. Shit. I was so happy this morning because I thought it was Saturday. True. Why do you think it was Saturday? The fuck? It's Turbo Tuesday. Fastest day of the week, best day of the week. Oh my... God damn. Joshua. You don't have to trust me, bro. You've done enough for us. You don't have to do that. Thank you so much. Yes! Turbo Tuesday. I fucking love this day. Thank you very much, Josh. I appreciate that. Where's my number one enemy gone? Fletcher comes in. He comes in a bit. He comes in a bit. Every now and again, he'll come in and do what you do. Just send a bunch of shit and then just disappear. Like, comes back like a couple months later. Hey, just want to support, blah, 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 fucking, let's go. Oh my God. My ears. Mishka. Thank you very much. But he does come in. He does come in every now and again. Yes, I'm from Australia. I am up 0.44% today. Top step, gotcha. Top step's pretty good. Yes, he is. Wait, what was the question? Yes, thank you, Sienna. Well, actually, it's nice to see you again. Yeah, he was there when the big rivalry happened. Member level fucking 12. Bro, that honestly, thank you so much. Like, seriously, thank you. Dean, what up? What's going on? It is, I don't know, it felt like the weekend and then realized that's cool. Yeah, that's cooked. Why did you make that a thing? He'd be past me in coins. I don't think he is. I seriously don't think he is. Oh, God. Fuck. Thank you for another fucking Mishka Bear. I still think you're at the top. Oh, actually, he might be. He might be. He has come in a few times and fucking sent some pretty ridiculous shit. So he actually might be. But you would have been there fucking forever, dude. We've been doing this for like... we've been doing this for how long? You would have probably... I'm pretty sure you were the first person to ever gift me. The 3rd of the 3rd, 2025, you joined the club. So we've been doing this for 6 months now on here. You were the top for this like entire time. You were there for your first stream, yeah. And Sienna. Sienna was there too. Sienna was the first person to ever comment. I'm pretty sure you're the first person to ever gift. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. All right, I gotta read kick chat. Give me 1 second. I was quite vexed this morning with my trade, touched my stop loss, and then decided to go in my direction. So I spent the last 2 hours nearly just backtesting GJ for my sanity. That's rough. Yeah, that sucks. I was quite vexed with how my day yesterday as well. How are you, Colin? What's going on? I'm vexed because of the outcome of the trade, but rather I'm performing like cheeks through September, so I had to get my anger out in 2017 and pulled through 28% in 2 hours. Pretty good. Good morning, Nick. 28% in 2 hours slaps. Yep, got some classic. Colin Crank in 90s. He's probably on it right now on Fortnite. Yeah, he's like a toddler. Dean's Tom's little bitch. That's his name from now. Well, it's probably just going. Good morning, Dean. How are we? Morning, bitch. How's Tom's little kitten doing? Hey, hey, hey. And then he disappears. How do I start? Well, I have a mentorship. If you want to join the mentorship, links in my bio. If not, go to my Discord, watch the beginner's video. And then join the mentorship. I feel like it hasn't been anywhere near that long. Really? Maybe. I don't really know. I don't really think about it. Dean's first video. Oh, God. Bro. Another fucking Mishka bag. Dude. It's enough. Fuck, man. You've done way too much for this stream. Way too much. Oh, fuck. Dude, I gotta turn it off! I gotta turn it off. Fuck. God damn it. Thank you for the Mishka Bear. And Xander with the You're Awesome. Thank you, guys. Oh my God. I'm switching gears. Thank you for another Mishka Bear. Fucking hell. Xander. Love you so much. You're awesome. Rose. Rose. Fucking hell. You guys don't need to do this. I've been in almost every single stream, so it's a lot and feels longer. Yeah. How many streams? It should say. No, there's no way you've watched 75 streams. Wait, that's actually a lot. But I don't know if that started from when you put the gift thing in. Oh, here we fucking go. Jesus. Oh my God, guys. I say when it's enough. Well, Josh, actually, I mean, he's only been in 15 streams, but sent 1,374 fucking gifts. Dude, you've done more than enough, bro. Holy shit. Yo, Golem make me laugh. Lol. That's it? Total stream? Make me laugh, you Golem. Yeah, don't lie about this, Golem. Okay. Wait, I've sent 1K gifts? Yeah. You'd spam roses like crazy though. So I mean, I guess they'd probably add up. Fuck, man. Where even are we? Love you so much. You're awesome, Rose. Rose times 22 from Xander. You're awesome times 20 from Xander, and then another 12 roses, and then Josh 81 roses, and then Xander, you're awesome times 4. What the fuck? Jay Diggs 11. Is this Jay the Digger driver? Or is this a different account? I mean, he always disappears and then pops back up randomly now. Yeah, probably making some mushroom soups. Probably. Busy goblin. Dean is Tom's #1 gobbler. Yeah, keep going, Dean. Jump back on stream soon so they don't get sus. I'm gonna make some calls. Talk to you later. See you later, Xander. Get stuck into it. Turbo Tuesday. Nah, bro, it's just a rando. True. Fair enough. That's literally my nickname, rando. That's what everyone called me. What time it opened up? What do you mean? Fuck! Please be wide range bar reversal. get this off. I thought your middle name was Gold. Oh, God. Stop it. We might gap fill reversal back down. That's really annoying that we didn't. I mean, that's annoying that we have a gap that goes through. I mean, that last week's high runs through the middle of. The market's open. London. New York opens at 11:30, I think. I don't know what time exactly now because I don't pay attention to market opens, but it's around there. Thank you guys so much for the fucking gifts, man. That's fucking absolutely insane. Time? The time is 7:25 p.m. Need to call my old employer. Good luck. Good luck. That's an awkward phone call. JSig90, thank you very much for following me. How much of day trading is gambling? That's a good question. We'll get into that in a second. Bro's gone emo on me? What do you mean I've gone emo on you? Who's emo? There's no fucking emos around here. 20k likes too, guys. What the fuck? We're having a fucking turbo motherfucking Tuesday. What do we have here? Temp. 3,282. Ghosting blocked. 3,257. Migsy 2.6. Cloudsy 1.4. Butchie Boy 1.1. Xander 556. Sienna 351. Leon 100. Jasic 33. I think I was at 20k already. Dude, I'm so like numb to the ooh-woos now. Like at the start, I was like, oh, this is so bad. Now it's just, it's like I don't even hear it like that. Now that I'm thinking about it, I do, but otherwise I barely even notice it. Don't the fees on Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar bum you? We have positive swaps, I'm pretty sure. Let me just double check that. But I'm pretty sure I was worried about that and I checked it. And then I was like, oh shit, I got fucking positive swaps. Who gives a shit? I'll sit in this forever. Yeah, we have positive swaps. We're technically getting paid to sit in this. But at the same time, we're not because we're being very conservative with our pairs and everything. 7:25. Why is it so dark? I don't know where you're from, but it gets dark around that time. Liam Coombs, thanks for following me. It's because I'm here? What do you mean, emo? I'm like the least emo. I'm like the most happy. Could it be that every ooh-woo that happens, it's just him? Brocky, what's good? It's a possibility. That's Brocky. Now, see, he just turns Dean out now. Looking amazing. How's the boys? We're all good. Everyone's good. Everyone's chilling. We have the best little kick. I love the kick, Chad. And Superstar, the Superstars, thanks for following. How do you have positive swaps? You can have positive and negative swaps. 50% of it, 50% effort, 40% gambling, 10% skill, in my opinion. I don't agree with that. So the thing that differentiates gambling and trading is you can have a long-term edge. Now, like, this is the kind of the uncertainty with trading, is that you never know what's going to happen in the future, but you can base your strategy off of previous price action. So you can go back 10 years and test a strategy and see if you have an edge over the market long-term, right? With gambling, you never have the house long-term will always win. So that's the main difference with gambling, is you can find an edge in trading. With gambling, you can't. How profitable do you each month? Around about 7.5 to 8% of my account size per month. Well, I swear I'm not emo final boss. Just bro on those Audi energy drinks. Fuck yeah, dude. If you haven't tried these, they're good. They're good. What platform do you use for this? I want to get in. I use MetaTrader 4. Would you recommend going balls deep on a trade instead of doing paper trading? Absolutely not. Always go demo first. Always. No matter what, no matter how much proof you have or anything of a strategy, always test it first. Do you fight kangaroos? No. They're too scared. Pepstone. I use Black Bull Markets as my broker. Links in my bio if you want to use it. Yes, it's an affiliate link. I get paid virtually nothing. And that's only if you sign up, use the live account, and fucking do all this bullshit. So you don't have to. But Black Bull's just my recommendation. Based in New Zealand, you get high leverage, regulated fucking everywhere. Best support. I'd literally, this is what I used to say before I even got the affiliate link. I just got the affiliate link because why the fuck wouldn't I? Just drop bears, yeah, they're fucking scary. Drop bears are terrifying. But bro said it was 10% skill. Jay, thank you also for following me. Huh? Joke. Yeah, dude, drop bears, man. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful of those. You can have an edge in gambling. Just keep that ace up your sleeve. Yeah. What's the fastest, most profitable trade to date? What do you mean by what? Can you rephrase that question? What's the fastest, most profitable trade to date? Are you talking about my personal one, or are you talking about someone else's? My fastest. I swing trade, so a lot of my shit is quite, like, it takes time. I'm usually in for days to weeks. I used to scalp indices. The most I made on a trade was on US dollar yen 2023 Japanese intervention, but that took a while to get out of, so I wouldn't say it was fast. Because I take things slow. Just shoot the house if you lose. Pretty much, yeah. G'day, how much of a bankroll do you need to get started? I suggest a couple of grand, honestly. It's not financial advice. Talk to your financial advisor before making any form of financial decisions. Entertainment purposes only. But if you don't have that, if that's too much, then it's understandable. But yeah, that's my recommendation. So have a bit of wiggle room. But before you even do get started, you can trade demo. So it's basically, you can, let's say you wanted to start with $3,000. You could sign up to a broker. You don't have to put any money in, and you can open a demo account, put $3,000 in that, and just start testing. Just start fucking around on the charts. Seeing what's what, getting the hang of things, fucking around, making the mistakes that you would rather use on a demo account as opposed to a live account. Would you ever invest in gold? I probably would. I I probably would. Physical gold, most likely. You win on WLFI. I don't know what that is. Is that a stock or a meme coin or some shit? I don't do that. If you had 2K to gamble on a trade right now, where are you putting it? Right now is so difficult. No, too risky. Too risky. If I was to full port something. All US dollars, too risky. It's too risky right now. I wouldn't touch anything. Honestly. I just straight up wouldn't. Really wouldn't. Tom, Lana, I was gonna text you because I'm doing numbers for my birthday. Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, I for a full gamble, I don't know. It's just so fucking risky right now. We got rate decisions in fucking 2 days. Less than 2 days. There's just nothing. Because it would be a swing trade. I would do it on a swing trade. So it would be like, fuck, man. I feel like maybe Aussie or New Zealand dollar shorts, honestly. We have been screaming up on this. But this shit can go forever. I feel like it would have to be Aussie or New Zealand dollar shorts. Such a hard one though. Because we got GDP for the New Zealand dollar and employment for the Aussie dollar coming out on Thursday, which could just go either direction. That's an exceptionally difficult question. Jacob Allen, thank you very much for following me. Would you invest in gold? Oh, you already asked that. I've got a few fractional trades going on stake. Fair enough. 350 tonight on London Sesh, Nas Mini. Fair enough. I'm 17, got 10K. I want to buy 1 ounce of gold and the rest towards shares. It's good goals to have. Good job, bro. Thank you, Shorts. My thesis is AI destroys a lot of sectors. I think universities are going out of business. Possibly. Bro's asking the big questions. Can you be my financial advisor? I cannot, and I cannot say that I can, even as a joke. I wish I could. Tell us how much you made from shares so far. I don't trade shares. Full port, sell NQ. I'm good. Bro's doing anything but answering. Me? The fuck do you mean? I was just spent like half my fucking brain power trying to think about that. Do you invest in crypto? Yes, I have some crypto. We're gonna get no birthday invite. You can come. Of course. Straight to the broth. What? Might just put it on black at this point. Give me $52. I'll go far. The fuck? I just finished work. I've been here since 6 a.m. Jesus. Fuck that. I'm I'm going whole package and balls deep. God, good luck. S, thank you very much for following me. Yo, Casper, bro, help me. You call me Casper? I'm not that white, am I? Have you painted your nails black? What is this fucking chat? I'm finishing this, going to kick. You're a Forex trader, correct. Casper, teach me. No, I don't know what pity invite. Of course, brother! Come to Brisbane, sure. When's your birthday again? It's on the 30th, but I'm having it on the 4th. Because the 30th is Turbo Tuesday. My birthday is in 2 weeks today. But I need to set it up, fucking get going. This chat's fucked. TikTok's fucked right now. Jesus. No, you wouldn't lie to them, Tom? What are you talking about, Colin? I smile whenever I hear people asking how to start, not knowing the dark road of despair ahead of them. It's like the equivalent of climbing out of that prison in Batman. I have horror flashbacks whenever someone asks how to get started. It depends who you learn from. Whenever people ask me IRL, just say YouTube and good luck, you'll need it. And just laugh, yeah. Fair enough. Bro hasn't seen grass in weeks. I mean, I live in... Everything's just concrete around here, so you're kind of right. What year are you born? 1989. Still not as white as me. Wednesday has a tan compared to me. Brother, I'm literally a ranger. I'm a ginger. What the fuck do you expect? I'll bring Minecraft? Nah, it's gonna be at like a place. I'm gonna get like a venue, some shit. Which I'm kind of scared of because it's gonna be pretty, like everyone's probably gonna get pretty feral. It won't be here. Bro's pushing 30, I guess. Well past there. Well past 30. Getting to those underpits. I'm on train, to be honest. Most awkward phone call ever. How'd you go? What happened? Hell nah. It's fun. 89? Damn, Unc. What do you mean? How's bro 36? What are you talking about? I'm young. You look 26? Nah. That's ridiculous. Tom's birthday at the local playground? Nah, I'm not allowed within hundreds of meters of local playgrounds. That's it, I'm getting a flight to Brisbane. Yeah, do it. We'll have a big party for my birthday. And we can touch each other's fair value gaps in the sandpit. 169. What do you mean by that? Bro's seasoned. I need to explain my situation and ask my job back. Hop on trend, bro. Yeah, expired. Expired, yeah. Right next to the cast? Nah. Nah. Other side. Turning 169 and on the coke. Nah, I'm 98, 1998. I am 26. I'm turning 27. I'm excited. I'm excited. I quit the job because I didn't like being stuck behind a desk for days. Was this one that you were just in? With the parts and shit? They were asking you to do all that annoying shit? Able22861, thank you for following me. This guy has to be black. I am. I'm like a new version of Michael Jackson. Tom's birthday at Fortune Valley, train station, platform 3. Ah! Yeah. Did you have to go through a course or anything to learn how to trade? Yeah, I did heaps. Way back when. They were all fucking useless. And then I found a mentor after a year and a half of garbage. And he actually knew what he was talking about. See you in the Met. Oh my God, do we have another Met fucking person? You know what's funny? I was actually there on fucking Saturday. Someone came in here and was like, saying that we almost got into a fight or some shit at the Met, and I was like, nah. Like, couldn't have been me. And then he was like, nah, I'll see you and you'll remember who I am. And I was only in there for 10 minutes. I just had to go in there for literally 10 minutes. And I walk in and he's like, oh, it was me on your stream. I was like, oh, for fuck's sake. And I know who he is. But I was like, there was no like issue with that guy really ever. See you later, Josh. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you had a good time, and thank you very much for the gifts. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Always blessing the stream with your presence. So, thank you very much. Little bro? What the fuck? But yeah, take it easy, bro. It was good to see you. No, different one. I used to sell Caterpillar engines. Gotcha. Can't stand that place. Yeah, it's a bit whack. Where are you from? Matt has a secret room where you play Minecraft. Lana, what the fuck? Do you guys have cars over there? No. It's a carless society in Australia. We just ride kangaroos. I don't know, you sell little Sekis. One of the Sekis comes in here. He comes in here. Let's play Minecraft. OMG, Tom, can you say hi, Lana? Hi, Lana. What do you think of PFO? I don't know what that is. Cheat code coaching. Laughing emojis. Okay. Tom Famous? No. How many pairs of slippers do you have? One. Lol, Tom, your answer changes every day about how old I am. I'm actually 26. I'm 30th September 1998. I'm actually 26, yeah. Oh, the riding kangaroos, no cars. Yeah, it's all we do. Kangaroos. It's crazy. They're literally, they're, man, if I walk out here in the city, they're hopping around. Packs of them in the middle of the city. It's crazy. Wait, hold up. Thoughts on jumping on Juice? Its relation to trading psychology, either roid rage at stop loss or feeling like a Jay Cutler at TP. Could be onto something. This could be the most generational pre-workout to grace the earth. Yeah, probably fucking not, eh? It's probably not a good idea. I do not recommend that. I mean, do what you want, but goddamn. Probably not the best idea, laddie. 30th of September, yep. Why'd you choose to be ginger though? I know, what the fuck? I just want to, honestly, right before I was getting born, when I was selecting my difficulty, I had a moment of like, let's try this on like ultra hard mode. I was like, let's try this on ultra hard mode. I chose the veteran setting to come into this fucking world. I was like, yes. And then they could have given me, you know, a third world country, but no, they gave me Australia and this fucking hair color. I'll dress up as Tom, my favorite celebrity, for his birthday. What would you wear? If you dressed up as me, what would you wear? Do you shoot them with bows and arrows? Yep. Watch out for the drop bears. They'll steal your kangaroo. Yeah. Or kill your kangaroo. Yeah. Same birthday as my father? Seriously? That's wild. What the fuck? That's actually mad. Well, happy birthday to your dad on my birthday. I'm from Goldie, but in Brisbane all the time for travel day. Oh, mad. Sweet. What do you... Is that like for work or some shit? I've been meaning to go down to Goldie for a while. I've been for a bit. Are they like black kangaroos, which are quicker than the normal ones? And they jump really high, yeah. Those are the ones we shoot. Fucking hell. Well, Alpha Tom's birthday, wife beater, grey trackies, backwards cap, red hair wig. Yeah, fuck. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. That's pretty accurate. Kangaroos come in white, brown, and red. Ah, true. 5-0. Fucking hell. Can you analyze DAX, please? Ah, I wouldn't be doing much analyzing, to be honest. I've not tuned into it at all. I could do technical analysis, but that's about it. The extra landing pad on the front lobe. Are you talking about my forehead? Let's fix this mess. Are we that? I already like the white ones. I forgot to add, I'll bring a dust candle from a Valentine's Day gift I got from 2022. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Don't move. Do not move. Oh shit, what is that? I bet you didn't think I'd still have that. What's the pair? Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Bro said it, not me. I'm probably still trying to raise up Lana. Something just can't be fixed. Bro, it's getting hot in here. Glute spread. Feel better, yes, after smashing my head. Sean Herkeen. Yeah, me and Lana are the homies. Why won't move, little bro? Yeah. What's that? Was it? No, that was the... Yeah, that was the candle. Yeah. It's Kmart candle, ease up. Yes, I know. But yeah, I still have that. Now I want to call some companies, but it's lunchtime here. Stuck into it. Bringing a new market every stop loss. Yep. Could be. I don't know what that is. Well, think about it. It could be. Okay, I cannot say that. Tommy, remind me of Jimmy Savile. I don't know who that is. Me too, Tom. Me too. Just on the topic. Jesus. Final of all boss. Takes Ozempic daily too, but only eats 8k calories of fast food and says calorie deficit is myth. Who is this guy? Jimmy Savile. What? Okay, buddy. What the fuck? I don't know, Kmart candle, but he got me. I gave you a dust candle? True, what the fuck? I don't remember that. Okay, Jesus Christ. Max Verstappen is a legend? Yeah. That's crazy shit, bro. Yo, fuck me. I don't know what that is. How I respect it. Kmart candles hit harder than my dad. They do. They do. I got the Halloween one 2 days ago. It smells so nice. I don't know if I have Halloween candles in here. Fuck. I mean, Halloween came up. Besides, surely I do. I've got to. You know where I get candles from? TK Maxx. TK Maxx has goat candles, like actual goat candles. National Hero 10 for Kidley Pin. I feel like the candle I got you was for your birthday. Oh. Oh. W noises. Halloween is at the end of October. Why are we already talking about Halloween? I'm throwing a Halloween party and it's gonna be fucking sick. W noises. Why don't we start to talk about Christmas? Because I'm emo. ASMR. This guy has to be. I can't say that word or I'll get banned. No. This guy's jokes. Yeah, I think I'm pretty normal. Thought we were talking about Easter. Where's the invite? Yeah, everyone. Where are you getting your signals from, by the way? So my signals come from, so there was this guy that I saw on Instagram. He only had 800 followers, but he had like 5 Lamborghinis and said that if I just copy his signals, I can be rich just like him. And he showed me proof that his customers turned their $1,000 into $150,000 in 3 months. So I get my signals from there. That's all I do. Just take signals from that Telegram group where I had to deposit $1,000 into an offshore broker that's based in Bermuda, that has an address that I looked up that's in a small field with nothing there. And then I got into this signal group. That's how I make all my money. Bro, I'm gonna get them eggs. Prove my point, little bro. What? Are you talking to me? Tom Incident 2025. Bro, what are we talking about? How many times do you paint a skin and hair? How many times do you paint a skin and hair? Yes, sir. I always use the hammer and magnet strategy. Sounds legit. Go down on TD. What? So you wear wigs? That's a funny video. Nice. Was $1,000 enough? I've started with 500. I'm joking. The barista Azzy. I was completely lying. Yeah. I don't get signals. Bro scammed me. Who, me? Everyone does, don't you? How much do you make a day? Daily's really hard. I usually go by month. Do you believe when you take a dump, the market will also dump? Yeah. Oh yeah, sorry Azzy. I thought you might have figured. Trade is going down low. Correct. How come you microwave a ham, it doesn't laugh? Do I just see Mr. Taxman in here? How much do you make a month? About 7.5% of my account. Fuck. I've forgotten this fucking cunt's name again. Oh, I remember. Are you going to stream it so we can all come too? I might. Kick only, yeah. GJ moving to my TP. Hey Alexa, how do I... Quick hi, the taxman is coming. Yeah, the taxman is here, yes. Sorry, I just had to deal with something real quick. I'm down 489 on the day. Do you think I can get it back tomorrow? Potentially, but do not revenge trade. Oh, it was Amara that sent the heart signal. Oh, she's probably gone now. Yeah, shit, sorry. Thank you very much, Amara. Thank you. Is that the pie symbol for the 10 roses? And thank you, Taxman, for the heart me. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Don't revenge trade. All good. Thanks for following me too. If you can lose it, you can profit it. Xander, thank you very much for the you're awesome. Sorry, I'm gonna have to message her and say thanks for that fucking, what was it? Heart signal. So that's kind of funny. She probably saw that I like brought out the Valentine's Day gifts. I straight after she said fucking, just probably like, that's kind of funny. Sunny and Ready Cal, thank you for following me. When you take the dog, does it see the fish? What? What up, Caps? How are we? What do you all eat over there? Seaweed? Kangaroo. Placed a real big order, 40 lots buy. Jesus. What are you doing? Not a whole lot. What are you up to? Carlos. Half shirt means market is neither bull nor bear. Pretty much, yeah. I mean, and that's true too, yeah. Roast drop out with side of crushed Forex bottles. Yeah. He's a trader, but the other way around. That's kind of funny. No, but will you wear wigs? Half shirt means not. Yes, correct. When will you wear wigs? Yeah, shit. Okay, yeah. Yes, we might have to jump off in a second. Probably soon. Fucking busy, 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 busy. What the fuck? Motherfucking taxman with a racing helmet. That's a big gift. Thank you very much. Like, seriously, thank you. What the fuck? You put the wig on me. Fuck, man. Thank you. Honestly, I really appreciate it. Fucking hell. Should I dress up nice or just t-shirt? Nice. Do you have pet tarantula? No. Damn. Bro's a professional racist. Pro racer. Thank you very much. It's a big gift. I appreciate that a lot. What's your favorite and least favorite race? Jesus. I'm gonna pay someone a $5 to promote Discord. It's not the worst idea. Comments, Tom. Have you done any coke with Bigfoot yet? I get, man, the cocaine allocations. I use my ATO corporate credit card to help the bill. I love that. No, I'm his PR manager and Bigfoot will only use cheap card. That's pretty funny. You are my PR manager. I'm gonna wear the wife beard and pay my... Lana, what the fuck? Right. That's too big. Fucking hell. I'll buy a drink. That is a big fucking gift. You very much did not need to do that. But I will pay you back for that. Thank you. Holy shit. What the fuck? Thank you. Genuinely. Thank you both. Taxman and Lana. I appreciate that. I texted you too. I don't know if you saw it. Bro, what the fuck? What the actual fuck? Stop! That's fucked. That's actually fucked. Like, actually. Oh my god. What the fuck? Taxman. Let me. Thank you very much. Stop! Actually, stop. Like, seriously, I'm not even kidding. Holy shit. Xander, Lana, Taxman, what the fuck? Thank you guys a lot. Fuck me. Holy shit. Lana, sorry. Fox, so let's just go through the fucking highlight reel, because what the fuck? And the Taxman just reached member level 17. A racing helmet from the Taxman. A Fox Legend from Lana. Mystery fireworks from the Taxman, a fucking galaxy from Lana, confetti from Xander, money gun from oh my god. Xander, stop! Stop! Confetti from Xander, money gun from Lana, Sakura, and another confetti from Xander. What the fuck? Jesus, guys, relax. Relax. Thank you. I can't. Oh my god. Bro. I just saw Mara join again. Thank you very much, Mara, for the gift before. But Lana, what the fuck? Another confetti? Bro, what? My ears, bro. Like, oh god, my ears. This is the most insane stream we've had in so long. What the fuck? What is going on? Guys, I can't keep up. Holy shit. What the fuck? Yes. All right. Thank you all very much for the gifts. I do genuinely, seriously appreciate it. Way too much. Way too much. Like, what the fuck? Sup, Anderson? What up, Broily? Hold up. What the fuck? Okay, we're gonna go through all the gifts. Fireworks from Lana. Bro! Stop. Confetti from Xander. Not El Riz jumped in, started to fucking jump on that. Thank you, Charlie, for the hand hearts. Lana with sunglasses. Xander, 2 more confettis. Lana, a rose. Lana, 32 more roses. Xander, 10 more roses. Charlie with another fucking hand heart. And another confetti from Xander. Stop. Seriously. 0. I don't want a single fucking gift. Can I turn them off? Can I turn gifts off? Because I don't, like, seriously, there's not a single more fucking gift from any of you guys. Thank you very much for the Go Popular. Holy fuck, man. That's fucking insane. Thank you very much. I gotta go through the comments. We gotta catch up. Jesus is your favorite or least favorite? I don't talk about religion. Got 15 people now. Need like 50,000. Yep. Deborah, you're showing me up. Right, you go. Add credits from when I go live. You go live? The fuck? Damn poor people trying to beat the ATO. Gotta help people in need. Alright, bye poor people. If you are going, thank you very much. Man, it's fucking ridiculous. There's way too much. Way too much. I'm off to tax the 1% and members of parliament. That's awesome. Okay, the ATO officially accepts defeat. We, a government agency, has lost to some random lady. Yep. Hope you've paid your taxes because we're going to find them if you haven't. Gonna go back to school now. Enjoy, have fun. Tom, yes. What the fuck? Xander. Way too much. Some crazy gifts. I know, Meeksy. What the fuck? This is the biggest stream I've had in a while. Curtis, thank you very much for following me. It's from the gifts I got sent from my live. It's the money sitting in my TikTok account. Well, why don't you cash it out? And you just send it to me, it's okay. I appreciate it. It's fucking insane. You also go live. I didn't even know she went live. Ha. Funny. Right, I'm done. Good. No more. Ghosting blocked. Okay, all done. Hope you've also paid your income tax. I'm going to audit you as well. Xander lives in the Netherlands. Haven't paid anything. Not going to do it. I still don't follow you. It's alright. You follow me in real life. I take this as a thread and I'm activating the SSR to hunt you down. Who paid your income tax? The income chill way. Don't know who that is. I don't live in Aussie land. What's tax? It's fine. We'll live in Dubai. I don't pay taxes. Naya, thanks for following me. Okay, the ATO are jealous and would also like to not pay taxes, never cash out. How long does it take to get good at trading? It took me about 2 years. So it can take a while. It depends who you learn from. I learned from a bunch of morons. Had no idea what they were doing. So yeah, I go live when I'm at work and make coffees. Do you? Do I not follow you? I don't even follow you. What the fuck? My bad. Was that what you were saying? That you don't follow me or I don't follow you? I still don't. Oh, I'll follow you. I didn't even know you did that. Don't tell them my location. Sorry. He's not actually there. Tutorials on how to do latte art. I'll watch it. I low-key want to learn that. By father off to win my money back playing semi-professional OW2. What's OW2? Like a nerd. Thank you. Genuinely thank you. That was a lot. How do you go live? You only have 700 followers. Thank you for following me too. Oh, Overwatch 2. Have fun. We don't play that. Helicopters coming here. No, please, no. Alright, kick. Sorry, guys. It was going off a bit in here. Fucking Jesus. How's that thing? This is turning into a lobotomy stream, pretty much. We're giving out free lobotomy. I mean, Lana's turning us into ICT trainers. Gonna start backtesting the turtle soup and balls strat in a minute. The what? ICT special. Pretty sure I'm losing brain cells from all the horror screams. Yes, it's blasting my eardrums. Don't worry, that's just the ICT lobotomy transition. It's required to conquer the charts like ICT. Tom, the viewers are on crack. I think it's high time for a glute spread as appreciation. The glute spread is not happening. Not right now. I second the motion. We want to see where the sun doesn't shine. Okay, buddy. I'm going to jump in the shower. Want to watch? Possibly not. The OTO thinks this is a trick question. Guys, that's a lot of gifts, man. Thank you all very much. Fuck, man, that was a lot. I actually can't believe that. I need to figure out, I always forget. I need to see what tier we're in, but I don't know. Oh, you guys can see. If you look up here or up there, what does it say? What does it say? We're in D1 or C5? C5? Let's go! We got to C5! Hopefully next time. We're number 28? We're number 28? Wait, what? Where do I find, bro, where do I find this? I have no idea where to find the leagues. Tools and resources, creative rankings, league, C5. Holy shit, we're actually on the ranks. Holy fuck, we might actually get to C4. That's huge for us, guys. That's huge. Because that gives us more exposure. So thank you all. Like, holy fuck. That's fucking awesome. That's the other thing. I can go live and I only have 168 followers? What? I thought you needed 1,000. How long did it take you to become profitable? A year and a half. I was demo trading for 2 years though. Okay, bye for real people. Love yous. Thank you very much, Taxman, for everything. I appreciate it. After that, I'll put on my new shirt, new sweater, and go to the store to buy White Monster. Let's go. Fuck yeah. C528. That's insane. We're actually on the ranks. I don't know if we've ever really been on ranks or whatever. It's kind of cool. Thank you guys. Okay, bye for real. See you later. How long did it take you to become pro? Oh yeah, so I was demo trading for 2 years. So technically when I was demo trading, I was negative or non-profitable. And then after a year and a half, I found consistency. And then after about, this is rough estimates, around 6 months after that, I was competent enough and confident to go live. Let's go. Do you think it'd be hard to trade in New Zealand? No. The broker that I use is based in New Zealand, so I don't see why it'd be difficult. Now you can afford food to eat. You mean to pay that unprofitable kitten named Dean so he doesn't starve? Dean really just boosted, eh? He just got out of here. Paul Loud is out hunting ferrets at the moment. This is your doing, Tom? Pretty much, yeah. Fuck, Lana, that's too much, man. Way too much. Ferrets like, can't catch me. Understand if it's too personal, but how much are you making a month? I tell people my percentage based off my account size. So around 7.5 to 8% per month. Currently, we're sitting at 4.12. And I've been very conservative this month. Very. Thank you for following me also, Vinny. Bro, saw me. Is life better now that you're making good money or nah? Yeah. Although I spend a lot of time at home. A lot. The majority of the time I just sit in my apartment, to be completely honest. Did you march for Australia? No. Is that 280,000 in a month? No. Fuck no. Comment merchant. Thank you very much for the rose. I appreciate that. Why would it be $280,000 a month? It's a fucking lot of money. Only one pair, and this Aussie New Zealand dollar. I'm gonna just double check because we did have a few extensions. What was it? Pound odd that we might be in short? Nope, didn't get in that. And euro odd. Okay, we got in shorts on euro odd. We'll take a smaller, we'll try and just gap fill for an easy single target. Yeah, I'd be happy with that. If we have to scale in, we scale in, that's fine, but wouldn't mind just getting in and out of this one, to be honest, even though the profits will be lackluster. That's fine. Although yesterday's high, nah, fuck it, we'll leave it here. Bro, I hope you become my liquidity someday. Okay, buddy. My good followed. Thank you very much. What's the first thing you're doing when you hit a mill? I don't know. I'd probably party. Honestly. Yeah, I'd probably celebrate. What currency pairs are you trading? I trade anything Aussie dollar, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, Euro, Pound, US dollar, CAD. Any of those crosses, I'll trade concurrently. However, all US dollars and CAD pairs are turned off. I use an expert advisor that I developed, so it's like a trading bot. And all of my US dollars and CADs are turned off purely because of the rate cuts on Thursday morning. I do not want any positions or anything like that in when the rate cuts come out, because it's just such a, it's very sketchy, this rate cut. So yeah, I'm in 8 pairs. Yeah, I'm probably in around the same at the moment. I'm currently 15, trying to learn futures. Would you have any tips? Focus on the process over the profits. Use demo account for as long as possible, and don't listen to all the bullshit you see online. Please help me. What currency pairs are you trading? Just explain that. He'll never. Yeah, probably not. I'm going off. Talk to you later. Kisses. See you later, Xander. Thank you very much for all the gifts, bro. Seriously, thank you so much. Genuinely. I really appreciate that. It's fucking nuts. Do you think TGR is a smart trader? No idea. I think he's a good marketer, and he makes the majority of his money through courses, broker affiliate payments, shit like that. I don't think he makes much money from trading at all. And he states that he made the majority of his money from crypto at the start of it anyway. So, yeah, I don't know. I just don't know. Which pair? This is Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. This is the only pair I'm currently in. Bro, you already inspire me a lot, to be honest. Thank you. That's awesome. I really like to hear that shit. I appreciate that. That's mad. I'm glad I can help. Joey06, thank you very much for following. If you go back to when you first started, what would you focus on? Probably the fundamentals. Probably fundamentals. Trading a full-time job. Yep. Wait, 5.3k followers. I do? Yeah. What about it? Hey man, what pair are you trading? Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar is the only pair I'm in right now, but concurrently I trade it. Oh wait, no. I just lied. I'm a liar. I just, for some reason I forgot I was in Euro odd too. After literally just going through it. Fucking Jesus. Can't wait to get to work and have a nap. I bet. What's the time over there? It's probably early as shit. Don't forget me. I'm not gonna. I remember all the, you know, pretty much everyone. It's very rare that I forget someone. The real Brock. Brock, you're getting showed up here. If you had enough money to buy 1 ounce of gold, search up ABC Gold and look at the graph. Would you buy in now? Sounds very complicated, and probably not. I'm not gonna look at it, but yeah, probably not. Sorry, that was AN. What? Was trading something you always wanted to do? Not particularly, no. No, I've had lots of ambitions and different career paths you could say I wanted to go down in, and different entrepreneurial routes that I wanted to go down in. I wouldn't say really career, because I never wanted a fucking career, like, ever. But yeah, mostly entrepreneurial routes that I wanted to go down, and kind of just stumbled across this and fucking stuck with it. Took a long time. Been doing it for 5 years. Yeah, what the fuck? I didn't hear the pair you said. Euro odd and Aussie New Zealand is what I'm currently in. I might be in some other. Fuck, I actually gotta turn New Zealand odd CAD. Oh wait, no, it is off. That's about it, yeah. Oh, we got in pound New Zealand dollar yesterday and got out? The fuck? How didn't I see that? Ah, okay. Yeah. Gotcha. We made over 100K from trading so far. I'm not going to answer that. You on funded or live? Live. Cheers, bro. I'm going to take a blinker. I don't even know what that is. A sleep? Nap? All good. How can we ever trust you again? Huh? What did I say, Colin? 6:30 a.m.-ish, rib. He's also in Dean Cheeks. Kolpa Cooper. Thank you very much for following me. It's good, man. Goon on you. Thank you. Goon on me. Hi, I'm buy at 36.96. What should I do? Can I hold? Are you talking about like gold or some shit? Well, if you're asking me that question, you probably shouldn't be trading. Secondly, whatever you're trading, which I have no idea what you're trading, I probably don't trade myself, so yeah. You can offer blinker, yes. For a beginner trader that's been studying it for a while with backtesting and demo account, been pretty profitable, would you recommend funded or live? Live. 100% live. Do you trade using a bot or do you manually put in the trades? Bot. 80% of my trading is automated. Pretty profitable. All right, yeah. Fire advice, bro. I don't know if you're taking the piss or not. The volume is measured in. Okay. Said you're a liar. Who said it? Bro, I'm so confused. I'm trying to keep up. How to use a bot? Put it onto MT4 and it will run. I mean, it's somewhat complicated, somewhat not. Why not funded, bro? If you don't mind me asking, I'm on a funded right now, top step 50K. Live account better than funded for beginners? Question mark. When learned everything? Yes, absolutely. Did you code yourself, the bot yourself based on your strategy? Yes. I've used this strategy for 3 years. I used to use a similar expert advisor, and then I developed it myself so I could give it to the guys in the mentorship for free instead of them having to go out and fucking pay for all that shit. Have you made videos about your strategy? Yes, on the in the mentorship. I've done that. But yeah, so I wanted to give my bot to the mentorship guys so they didn't have to go and pay for it, so I developed my own. So yeah, so funded accounts. I know I've spoken about this millions of times, sorry everyone else, but funded accounts can be used as a tool to increase your live accounts capital, right? And you should only be taking small amounts of profit. This is if you want to do it right. Take small amounts of profits and attempt your live challenges. So from your live account, take small amounts of profits, put them towards funded accounts, and then attempt to pass challenges and stuff like that. So the rules around prop firms are so unbelievably strict that it's extremely hard to pass and be consistently profitable on them. They base their rules around you not being able to be a consistently profitable trader. They basically wipe out the majority of shit that allows you to become a consistently profitable trader if you are in the first place anyway, right? So what, 5% of people are profitable? So take that 5%, put them on a prop. What do the statistics come to now? I think the payout percentage is like 0.04% of people. You really think you're going to be one of those? The majority of them are just luck. Don't funded accounts take all the money if you lose the challenge? Yep. Okay, so just leave the funded accounts alone to take full profit, whatever. Yeah, and the thing is you might pass a funded and you might get to a payout and then you'll request the payout and they'll go through everything with a fine-tooth comb and try and find something to not pay you out. It's just how they work. They make, the only way they make money is from you guys failing challenges. That's where their income comes from. It's the only way they make money. So they don't want to pay you out because it's all virtual money. It's all demo accounts. It's not live accounts. Fuck, my nose is itchy. Declan Wood Fine, thanks for following me. And David A26, thank you very much. I feel like funded accounts are good for building capital to then transfer over to a live account. I disagree. I think you're going to waste, especially as a beginner, you're going to waste a lot of money trying to pass a funded account. Yeah, bro, you're giving some good tips. Thank you. Psychology is also a massive thing, and funded accounts with the amount of rules, the amount of pressure and stress that you come under doing that makes it very difficult to be a profitable trader. It's just the truth. If you're a beginner, steer clear. It's my recommendation. What age did you start learning trading? 21, 22, around there. What's a good way to start a live account for a beginner? Well, go demo first. So this is what you should do, and this is what I did. Although I did this for 2 years. So I went demo, right? I did as much education as I possibly could. As much education. Doesn't, like, try things. Get demo accounts. Blow them. I would have blown fucking 30 demo accounts. Like, maybe not 30, but a shitload, right? I blew a lot of accounts. And if I was doing that live, I would have probably blown even more because then I had psychological barriers too. Whilst I was blowing accounts and learning and educating myself and, you know, doing it tough, I was building capital for 2 years to chuck in, right? And if that didn't work, I would have ended up with a bunch of money by the end of it. It took me 2 years to do this shit and to put my own money in. So if you want to start a live account for a beginner, get a job, work 3 fucking jobs if you have to, build capital, build capital, build capital, education, education, education. Only open a live account once you feel confident and competent enough to do so. Otherwise, you're just going to lose all your fucking money. It's just going to happen. I've seen it a million times. I've literally seen it a million times. Beginners jump in, they put their money in, they blow it all. On a live... Oh, wait. I'm a beginner and watched a bit of TGR Bootcamp, and tomorrow I'm going to watch the video on your Discord. Yeah, the video on my Discord's a very, very basic. It's like the absolute bare minimum basics. So if you've watched a bit of the bootcamp, I don't know what's in it, but they might have gone over the shit that I talk about in that video. On live, say you start with 1K and somehow you lose, can you go into debt like minus that 100? They won't do that. They'll margin call you before. So your broker will close out your positions. Depending on the broker, 50, 60, 70% of your account, they'll close out your positions. I'm a demo first, then try with $100 every trade, $8. So you're gonna risk 8% on every trade. Way too much. Albert, thank you very much for following me. What's your idea of gold? I don't trade gold. Hey bro, do you use stochastics? I do not. I'm getting off, guys. I gotta go. Make sure you hit that follow button. Join the Discord if you're not in the Discord. Get the fuck in the mentorship, motherfuckers. What are you waiting for? Proven strategy. I'm here every fucking day proving this shit works. I don't know why people are just so fucking... I don't even know. It's just, I do not understand it. I'm here to help. Get in. You get my expert advisor. You get one-on-ones for free. Get the fuck in. Links in my bio. I never promote this shit either. So, ugh. I don't know why I typed. Oh wait, shit. So he's saying if I know what I'm doing, can easily pass funded challenges. There's no such thing as easily pass funded challenges. No. I should go live instead. Yes, absolutely. I don't know why I typed $8, maybe $3. Even that's too big. That's 3% of your account. Be able to take a quick look. I gotta go. I gotta burst. What indicators to use? I use a variety of different indicators. Weekly high and lows, daily high and lows, RSI, moving average, average daily range, wide range bars. Many. Big Chief, thank you very much for following me. Apple user, thank you very much. Thank you very much for following me. Where you from, bro? I'm from Oz, just don't know where or how to start. That's right. Links are in my bio. I am from Australia and Brisbane. How do I join you, bro? Links are in my bio. You can always message me too. I just gotta go. We've been live for 2 hours. Likes? 47,000 likes. Let's have a reason. Let's have a look. I'm looking at, well, fucking Jesus. Let's have a look. Thanks for the lesson, bro. That's all right. No stress. It's what I'm here for. I'll be back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Nicholas, thank you very much for following. If I start learning at 15 and stick with it, how long do you think it will take to be profitable? How long's a piece of string? You put two people in a room with a booklet on how to learn a language, they're gonna learn at fucking two vastly different paces. So it's very hard to say. Moneymaker, thank you for following me. News where it's going. Not sure. We spoke about that earlier. I'm gonna be like you, hype in the city. Fuck yeah, we like that. Likes. Go down. Ghosting block. 15,300. Holy shit, that's a lot. Migsy, 6K. Temp, 3.2. Josh, 2.2. Cloudsy, 2K. Liam Coombs, 1.2. Butchie Boy, 1K. J Diggs, 1K. Xander, 556. Ghosting blocked. Or Ghost Rider. Pulling weight. Pulling weight today. Thank you all so much for the gifts. I don't know if any of the people that sent gifts are still in here. They're not, but holy shit, we got a lot of gifts today. Crazy. So thank you all for that as well. Make sure you join the Discord, link to my bio. Get in the fucking mentor. What are you doing? Get in there. Start learning. Start using me. Use me as your information SLUT. That's what I'm here for. All right. I'll be back tomorrow. Have a fantastic evening, guys. Meow. That is rough, Colin. take it easy, but hopefully I provided you with some entertainment and kept you awake a little bit.